One of the most common questions I'm asked by new clients is, how does my case look? Or do I have a shot at winning the case? The answer is actually pretty simple. In order for us to prevail against the prosecution, we need to outwork them. We need to flip over every stone. We need to look in every crevice, and we need to systematically break down every single piece of evidence until there's nothing left for the prosecutor to use against you.
I took my case very seriously. I did my homework when selecting an attorney, and ultimately, after interviewing several attorneys, I chose the one that I felt would best represent me. I hired Newport Criminal Defense because of their great reputation, and when my case was finished, I know I made the right decision, and I would highly recommend them to others.
Here at Newport Criminal Defense, we have a reputation of being relentless when it comes to the courtroom. We have successfully represented clients from domestic violence, DUI charges, drug possession or sale, white-collar crimes, real estate fraud, and all cases in either state or federal court.
We hired Newport Criminal Defense when we had an emergency come up with one of our employees. They got down to the jail right away. They arranged for bail. They got him out. They helped us through the situation. They were in constant communication with us. They kept us up to speed as to what was going on, and they were forthcoming with all the information. So we just want to say thank you, and we highly recommend Newport Criminal Defense.
My job as an attorney is not to make decisions for my clients. My job is to educate my clients to a point where they feel comfortable making decisions about their cases on their own. To that end, we have investigators on our staff. We have former prosecutors on our staff. We have employees dedicated to the DMV process if this happens to be a DUI. We have former law enforcement officers that we have as agents. We take these cases as seriously as you do.
I should introduce myself, Eric Wright, son of the legendary Eazy-E. So Little Eazy to some entertainment stars out there. Having a lawyer is very valuable, very, very highly valuable. I wouldn't think twice of having to have a public defender. No, period, point blank. The time for my book till the time my lawyer got there was surprisingly fast. I dealt with being in there with a lot of individuals who were facing a lot of different crimes, some similar, some not, and didn't have a lawyer. And I'm here now to speak to you, and let's say some of those individuals are still waiting.
We offer free consultations, either on the phone or in person. I would prefer that you come in. Let's meet face to face, let's review your documents, and we'll give you an honest assessment of what your case looks like and whether you need to even hire an attorney at all. Our goal is simple. We want to be honest from the beginning and extremely hardworking until the very end.